Hello everyone, it's Mandy with Gwen's Foxy Nest, and I'm glad you could join me today. As you kept jumping on, tell me hello and tell me where you're from. And guys, I've been asked today to share my video into a group, so I'm just going to take a minute just to get that going, and just a second. And then today we're going to just get started on our project. It's going to be an easy, simple project for everyone. And as always, if you have questions, leave a comment or send me a direct message. I will certainly get back to you guys. And let me just get this going right here. Make sure. But how are you guys doing today? How's the weather? It is finally cooled off here, and wow, it was getting hot. So I'm glad. I'm glad it's joined. It's getting cool. Okay. And then one more share and we'll get started. So thanks for being patient with me. And there we go. Okay, perfect. So if you are just new and type in new, let me know you're here, and I welcome you guys. I know that our page just got a lot of newbies. So let me introduce myself. I'm Mandy Ross with Quinn's Foxy Nest, and I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. And I love to inspire you guys to create the foxiest nests, really, and do it on a dime. So create boutique style quality products or home decor on a dime. So I always kind of give myself a little bit of a challenge to go to the dollar store and try to come up with a unique and purposeful design for your house that will make it look like you got it from the boutique. So today we're going to do this little door hanger, and guys, it really took me a little bit on this one. But really just simply put it on your doorknob, that type of door hanger. And I've had it for a while, and I just couldn't come up with anything. And maybe because it had the little design that said catnap, it just really wasn't speaking to me. But as always, I said, just put some paint on it, and that will probably bring it to life. And of course it did. So I love to paint. I love to paint furniture. I love to paint projects. I love to do different techniques and styles. So this one I was just going to keep as a black board, but I'm going to make it a cheese board. So hello, it took me forever to figure that out, yeah. But we're just going to make a cute little cheese board out of it, or like a cutting board. And I'm just going to put the baking company and some cute little ribbon to go with it, and we're going to see how we like it. As always, I just do the projects as we're going. They come into my head and then I do them live. So, I always kind of relieved when they turn out. So, thanks for joining me, guys. And if they fail, then we all know that we don't like those, right? So, let me get this going. And this is a surface that I have already painted and waxed. So you want to make sure that you wax it so you don't mess up your transfers. That you can, because they're reusable like up to a dozen times. So as long as you take care of them, they'll definitely take care of you. And normally you get more use out of them anyway. So, and they're easily repositionable, guys. So kind of work with it until you get it where you want it, and then just lay it down and get all the air bubbles out. It's just that simple. So get that down. And for my newbies, I'm just going to say this is our Chalkology paste, and guys, you want to just make sure that it's kind of like a sour cream or yogurt consistency. You don't want it too thick because it kind of make it hard to work on your surface, but you don't want it to be too thin because it would run and not give you the clean and crisp line. So with our silk screen on our transfers, that's what gives you that clean and crisp line. and really able to give some detail to your projects. So like I said, I love to paint, but my downfall is giving it the detail that I want. Writing is not my thing, but I love to design and create beautiful home decor, right? So I did it for a while in boutiques and for booths, and really enjoyed the process. And then I decided to start traveling. Now I get to do what I love and still travel. So just get on here and smooth it out, and you just want to get it just on the design part. This one obviously is majority of the transfer or the stencil, but if you guys you just want to put your paste on the design part, because it doesn't really take that much paste, and just grab the excess off of it and put it back in your jar, okay? And we'll get that going. So now let's just lift it up, and we're going to lift it up slowly, because if you miss a spot, guys, just put it back down and redo it, okay? Ooh, it's so clear. Okay, I've been doing this for a while now, but every time this little transfer comes up, I'm always impressed about how beautiful it is. It's just beautiful. And I love this color. This is our Chalk Couture color, our signature color. So, whoop, okay. So now, guys, I will just take this to my sink and I'll wash it. I'll just wash the paste off, and then I'll turn it upside down where the sticky side is up. Let it dry, because it's kind of a fabric, okay? It is a fabric. And then I will put it back on the backer sheet with the sticky side and the shiny side, and put it back in the package, and I can use it again later. I've already used it several times, so I've already created several different projects with it so I can reuse it. And we're just gonna make a cute little ribbon here. I've already kind of cut it out, so I kind of cut, like, it's 6 inches of ribbon, and then I'm just gonna kind of cut the ends to make them kind of be pretty. So let's just kind of put these here and here, and then I have some pom-poms to give it some more character. So guys, how are you guys doing today? Is it Wednesday? Is it hump day? We always like to hear a little bit of a hump day, right? Put this way so I can tie it onto my project. So thanks for joining, and if you have some crafty friends, invite them to my page. If you are liking what you see, make sure you sprinkle and share with your friends. That's how I grow my business, so I appreciate you guys helping me grow my business in that way, and getting it. I think this is going to be too stiff, so hold on, let me get a different jute. But I appreciate you guys helping me grow my business and sharing the love, sharing the honey with everyone. And there we go. But also, if you have questions, or guys, if you want to see a project, just let me know. I love to share, inspire you guys to create more. If there's a certain color you like, or a certain a style, maybe you're more farmhousey, or maybe you're boho, or traditional. I have, mainly my house is traditional, but then I have certain areas that I add pops of color and do different things in. So I'm not afraid to mix and match the styles or color, but I do kind of like to have a base color that I can work from, and then go from there. So let me just put this on here. Like I said, super easy, super simple. But guys, wouldn't this be a cute little gift to give your girlfriend with a bottle of wine to go with her decor? Because we have about 30 different colors of paste colors that you could do. So you could do a color that matches her home. It's for decor purposes only. This is like a cardboard material, so you can't really wash it or put food on it. But wouldn't it be cute to give it to her with a bottle of wine and then a little, I'm calling it a cheese board instead of a door hanger. So give me some hearts, guys. Let me know. Hold on, I got distracted. Give me some hearts, guys, and let me know if you guys like the project. Again, super simple, super easy to design on a dime, guys, and make everything in your house look fabulous. The first thing I say is just go through your house and check to see what you can update or repurpose. That would be the easiest way. But guys, if you're interested in the products that I used today, just type in DIY and I will message you the product list. If we have what we call a subscription, a monthly subscription, and basically you get an 8 by 10 or 8 by 11 transfer each month. It's a monthly club, just to kind of remind you to stay crafty and you know, have fun for yourself or with your girlfriends or with your family. If you're interested in that, it's only $19.99 a month. So if you're interested, type in club and I'll get you all the details for that and just get you a link. And if you're interested in doing what I'm doing, just type in join and I can get you the information for that as well. So if you can always, like I said, put it in the comments or send me a direct message, guys. I'll always get back to you. And thank you so much for joining me today for this quick little craft. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.